Convert DataFrame column type from string to datetime. How can I convert a DataFrame column of strings, in dd/and/ye format, to datetimes?
The easiest way is to use _datetime. It also offers a day first argument for European times, but beware this isn't strict. Here it is in action. You can pass a specific format. If your date column is a string of the format January 1, 2017, you can use pandas as type to convert it to datetime. Or use datetime 64D, if you want day precision and not nanoseconds. Yields the same as when you use pandas.to_datetime. You can try it with other formats than %y, %m, %d, but at least this works. You can use the following if you want to specify tricky formats. More details on format here. Python 2 this URL, Python 3 this URL.
If you have a mixture of formats in your date, don't forget to set infer_datetime_format equals true to make life easier. Source, pd.to_datetime. Or if you want a customized approach.
Multiple datetime columns. If you want to convert multiple string columns to datetime, then using apply would be useful. You can pass parameters to_datetime as quarks. Passing to apply, without specifying axis, still converts values vectorially for each column. Apply is needed here because pd.to_datetime can only be called on a single column. If it has to be called on multiple columns, the options are either use an explicit for loop, or pass it to apply. On the other hand, if you call pd.to_datetime using apply on a column, for example dfdate.apply pd.to_datetime, that would not be vectorized, and should be avoided. Use format equals to speed up. If the column contains a time component and you know the format of the datetime/time, then passing the format explicitly would significantly speed up the conversion. There's barely any difference if the column is only date, though. In my project, for a column with 5 million rows, the difference was huge, 2.5 minutes versus 6s. It turns out explicitly specifying the format is about 25x faster. The following runtime plot shows that there's a huge gap in performance depending on whether you passed format or not. The code used to produce the plot.
What is the pattern pieces of code